Do you need help making your business idea a reality? This video will tell you everything you need to do to create the ultimate tool. This is how to make a business plan. So, what is a business plan? Essentially, it explains the idea of your business and shows how it will be successful. Why should you do it? Going through the process allows you to see flaws that need fixing or spot previously unseen opportunities. It takes something that can feel incredibly daunting, starting a business, and breaks it down into concrete steps that actually seem achievable. Every business should start with a one-pager. This can be smashed out in as little as an hour if you've done your research and will prove priceless in the long run. I've put some helpful templates and resources in the description that you can use to make your very own one-page business plan, plus a link to make something more comprehensive. Okay, so as a general rule, you can break down a business plan into two key sections: business information and financial information. The business part of the business plan starts with a question. What does your business do and why should people care? Okay, so that's two questions, but they're important ones. To help keep things clear, let's imagine we're making a business plan for a burger place. So question one, what does your business do? I sell burgers. Question two, why should people care? Well, no one in this part of the city makes vegan burgers. I make delicious, affordable vegan burgers. After doing all your research, now you need to explain it. For example, how big is the market? Who are your competitors? And why is your business better than theirs? This isn't just words and statements. You'll need some figures. So let's say there are 50,000 potential customers in this area. And although there are other burger places such as, A, B, C, and the vegetarian eateries such as 1, 2, 3 are booming right now, no one is combining these two elements and making vegan burgers. This is why my business will be successful. Next, the money stuff. It starts with the expenses. Figure out how much cash you need and what it's for. This can include things like tax, insurance, or building costs. Again, these will be different depending on what your business is and the country you're in. For example, my imaginary burger place needs to buy ingredients, purchase kitchen equipment, and hire staff on top of all those other things. With all that money going out the door, figure out how you're going to make money. What price will you charge? How many sales are you expecting to make? And how will those sales work? To keep track of all these ins and outs, make a budget for revenue and expenses. Budgeting is actually so important. To break it down now on top of this business plan would be too much, so we've made a separate video dedicated to it, which we've linked to here. Now, before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning it's not a bad idea for all businesses to have a list of people who are helping out and to say what they'll be doing. Include employees, paid consultants, mentors, even friends who are pitching in. This will help you get your head around the size of the team and see what impact it will have on your budget. Showing you have a team around you will also really help if you are seeking finance, which will definitely require a business plan, by the way. So another reason this step of starting a business is crucial. So that's it, a not so overview of how to make a business plan. Remember to take a look at the handy resources in the description so you can jumpstart creating one of your own. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're after more videos like this, then we've got you covered. Plus, plenty of other great videos we think you might like too. Hit that subscribe button and give us a like.